Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to share a file from Google Drive. So a computer file, it is a computer resource that is used for recording data in a computer storage device. So a file, in simple word, it means everything that you store in your computer, it is a file. It can be a video file, an image file, or a document file. So to learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So I have opened my Google Drive. Now if I want to share this file, I will have to right click on it, click on share. Now I have to click on add people and groups and type the email I want to share it with. Say .com and hit enter. So now I can give the file permission. I can give them the viewer, that means the only view permission. I can give the commenter, that means they can only comment. I can give the editor, which means they can view the file and also edit the file. So I'm going to give the editor and click on send. So now person added, that means the file has been shared. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to share a file from Google Drive. Thank you for watching.